Hey guys, are you on a weight loss journey and struggling to stay full? I've totally been there. It can be so frustrating to feel like you're constantly hungry even when you're trying to eat healthy. Trust me, I get it. That's why in this video, we're diving into healthy foods that can help you feel satisfied and energized according to nutritional information and content. Get ready to say bye-bye to those pesky cravings and hello to feeling amazing. We're about to unlock the secrets to feeling full and satisfied, all while making healthy choices that support your weight loss goals. Remember, you've got this. Let's do this together, Popsters. Let's kick things off with a breakfast staple. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in fiber, a superhero for your digestive system. It helps you feel full longer and keeps cravings at bay. Plus, oatmeal is super versatile. Enjoy it hot or cold, sweet or savory. Top it with fruits, nuts, seeds, or honey. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. Next up, we have Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse that will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Greek yogurt is thicker and creamier than regular yogurt, and it packs a serious protein punch. Why is protein so important for weight loss? Well, protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates, which means it keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, it helps preserve your precious muscle mass during weight loss. You can enjoy Greek yogurt on its own, add it to smoothies, or use it as a base for healthy dips and sauces. I love adding a dollop of Greek yogurt to my morning oatmeal or smoothie for an extra boost of protein. So, if you're looking for a delicious and satisfying way to up your protein intake, Greek yogurt is your new best friend. Let's talk about avocado, the creamy, dreamy fruit that's packed with healthy fats and fiber. Now, I know what you might be thinking, fats? On a weight loss journey? But trust me on this one. Healthy fats are essential for feeling full and satisfied. They help slow down digestion, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer, and they provide your body with energy. Avocados are incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, or simply enjoy them sliced with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. One of my favorite ways to enjoy avocado is on whole wheat toast with a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning. It's a simple, satisfying, and healthy breakfast or snack. So don't be afraid to embrace the power of healthy fats with avocado. Chapter 4. Eggs. The incredible edible. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse and a fantastic source of protein that can help you feel full for hours. They're like little packages of energy and nutrients that will keep you going strong throughout the day. One of the best things about eggs is their versatility. You can enjoy them scrambled, poached, fried, boiled, or baked. They're the perfect addition to breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I love making a veggie-packed omelet filled with spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes for a protein-rich breakfast. Or, for a quick and easy lunch, I hard-boil a few eggs at the beginning of the week and keep them on hand for a grab-and-go snack. So, if you're looking for a delicious and satisfying way to up your protein intake, look no further than the incredible edible egg. Chapter 5. Quinoa. The super grain. Get ready to add a new superfood to your pantry. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a great choice for staying full and satisfied. But that's not all. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber, which, as we know, is essential for digestion and feeling full. It has a slightly nutty flavor and a satisfyingly chewy texture that makes it a delicious addition to salads, soups, and even desserts. One of my favorite ways to enjoy quinoa is as a salad base. I love tossing cooked quinoa with chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, fresh herbs, and a lemon vinaigrette for a light and refreshing meal. So, if you're looking for a nutritious and delicious way to fuel your body and stay full, give quinoa a try. Chapter 6. Almonds. The perfect snack attackers. When those afternoon cravings hit, reach for a handful of almonds. Almonds are a great snack option, as they are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which can help curb your appetite and keep you feeling satisfied between meals. But the goodness of almonds doesn't stop there. They're also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. I love keeping a small bag of almonds in my purse for a quick and easy snack when I'm on the go. They're also a great addition to trail mixes, yogurt bowls, or salads for extra crunch and flavor. So, next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of almonds and experience the satisfying crunch of a healthy snack. Chapter 7. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty. Don't let their tiny size fool you. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Chia seeds are a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They absorb liquid and expand, helping you feel full. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or make healthy puddings and jams. One of my favorite ways is chia seed pudding. Combine chia seeds with milk, a sweetener, and flavors like vanilla or cocoa. Let it sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. Enjoy a delicious breakfast, snack, or dessert. Chapter 8. Sweet potatoes, the colorful complex carb. Last but not least, let's talk about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but they're also incredibly nutritious and a fantastic source of fiber. They're also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. But here's the best part. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, which means they release energy slowly and keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. You can enjoy sweet potatoes baked, roasted, mashed, or even spiralized into noodles. I love making baked sweet potato fries with a sprinkle of sea salt and a dollop of Greek yogurt for dipping. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying carbohydrate option, reach for a sweet potato. Outro. Stay full, stay motivated. There you have it, Popsters. 8 healthy and delicious foods that will help you stay full and energized on your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not just about eating less, but eating right. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you'll not only feel more satisfied, but you'll also be providing your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs to thrive. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay motivated.